Hi students, it's Tuesday, November 10th, 2020, and here are your directions for the day. Make sure to put your name on the form and watch all of this movie. We're going to sing along with the long O sound. O-A and O-W make the long O sometimes, so go listen to that. Our live class is at 9:30. Make sure you come. And then we have our super sentences in the bag that I gave you. There should be some extra super sentence sheets. So I want you guys to do your spelling words and choose. If you know all of the regular spelling words, go ahead and do the challenge words. All right, today we have our math assessment. And what I need you to do is I just need you to click on this link right here, and you will get to our math test. And let's see, it looks like this, okay? And you just need to read the question. You can have your mom or dad read the question to you if you can't read it to yourself, and then you need to pick the answer. And it's a self-grading quiz, so you should find out how you do right after you take it. I did also include a paper version of this in most of your bags. And if you want to work out all of the problems on that paper version first, that's good. But please fill out this form so I can get your answers. All right. Then you're going to play this game called Skunk. And I have the directions here. You just need some dice and your whiteboard, okay? And there's this really cute little British girl that explains the rules. So watch the video and play Skunk with someone at home. All right, your vocab actually is on some paper that looks like this. And I did a big mistake as I was planning for today. I had all of your bags lined up on a table, and I took out the Click Clack Moo stuff of one of them, and I forgot to put back that paper into the bag, and I forget whose bag it was. So someone's missing the Click Clack Moo stuff. So I gave you the PDF file here, and hopefully you guys have a printer for the people that are missing this vocab thing. And let me know if it's you that are missing all the Click Clack Moo stuff, because I will go and maybe drop it off at your house or something, because I feel really bad that I took it out and I forgot to put it back in. But anyways, it looks like this. What you need to do is you need to look at the word. You can review the vocabulary words by going to this link on Quizlet and find out the definitions. So I think you write the word in a sentence, you write the definition, and then you draw a picture of it too. So our vocabulary words for this week are problem, impossible, understand, impatient, furious, demand, gathered, and believe. And then when you're all finished, take a picture of your favorite sentence and your favorite picture and that you drew, and post that to Seesaw for me. All right, optional letter writing. So we have our class directory that you guys all put your addresses in. And I thought it would be cool if we started writing letters to each other. So if you want some extra star points, go ahead and choose a classmate to write to, and watch this letter about how to write a friendly letter, and it'll help you write your letter and also address the envelope. And then maybe with your, you can ask your mom or dad for an envelope and stamp, and you can send it in the mail. If you do this before you send it, please take a picture of it and email me a picture of your letter so I can give you 100 points if you did this. And you can also send an email if you don't have an envelope or stamps. And just maybe include me on that email. Just write my email too in the top of the email so I can see that you've done that. And then you can still get your 100 points. But I think letters sent in the mail would be even cooler. All right. Then you have you have to finish the witches, and you have to do a book review on Seesaw for me. Okay. So these are the last two chapters, chapter 21 and chapter 22. And then after you finish, go on Seesaw and make sure you do the book review. Okay. All right. In science, you guys all got a big, huge piece of white paper. And what I need you guys to do is lay down on that piece of paper and have someone trace around you very carefully to make a whole body. And you can, there's a movie down here that shows you exactly how to do it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to cut out some kidneys and we're going to put it where your kidneys are supposed to be. Okay. And then on a little index card, I want you to write me a sentence about what the kidneys do and glue it next to the kidneys. Okay. So here is another movie about what your kidneys do. And then we're going to move on to other organs as we learn about the human body. All right. You have PE at 2 p.m. And then you have Drop Everything and Read. I did an assignment on a book about the human body. So if you can't read it by yourself, maybe read along and listen to the recording. You can I think it's the first button to listen. Let's see. I'm just going to take this one. Well, if you also did another book that you read, you can put it here or you can put the human body book. Okay, and then that's it. That's all your work for today. So don't forget to click on submit and give yourself points. So today you have STAR testing. And if you show up to STAR testing, you can count that for 50 points, okay? So for STAR testing, either everybody that's listed for today is going to be showing up on, let's see. Let me show you that for a second. Okay, so I should have changed this right here. This should just say 12:30 till 1:30. Okay, that's our testing window. So that was a bit confusing. So everybody show up at 12:30. Okay, so my group is going to be BC Blair, Carter, John, Grace, and Mackenzie. And then Mrs. Bledsoe is going to have Macrina, Max, Daniel, and Charlie today. And you guys just need to go to a Google Meet, type in either BC Blair, if you're in my group. If you're in Mrs. Bledsoe's group, BC Blair 2. So this is our first time that we're doing STAR testing. And I just want everybody on. And I think I'm going to show you guys how to get to the STAR testing. And then you guys are just going to be on the meet if you guys or just in case you guys need any help. Okay, so just stay on the meet and we'll be there to help if you need it. Remember, you can't have any help from mom or dad. That kind of really messes things up. Okay, all right. Let's go back. I think that's it for today. I will see you in class. Bye.